All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel for the second part with the BOLDMEN / BOLDMEN factory. And now I have these two cars right here that you've seen at on the first vlog actually. And we got them for the test drive with the team right here. And I'm really honored and really glad to show you once again what BOLDMEN made. And is making also, because we have the number one, the very first one produced, and for now today the last one produced, number 20. So they have still 10 cars to make. So without further ado, let's check the spec of the cars and then hear the noise, the power on the road. Okay, so just gonna start with this one because there's like two kind of specs, so we can compare the cars each other. With the 21 inches rims. Look how huge, with the yellow caliper right here with the BOLDMEN written on it. And we have the first 30, that one is the number 30, knowing that everything is made fully in carbon. And you can check out their interior for this one. And as Mr. Wiseman said, it's the Lamborghini paint, so which is kind of more exclusive. And you have this two-tone interior with the leather, and everything is bespoke on this one. Not only for this one, but everyone is bespoke. And here we have like the B, the black B right here. And here you have like shiny B with also deep blue and silver rims. Also an honor also to have this very first one, the number one, with, as we've said before, the full beige interior. You have the lines right here, the plate, the first 30 obviously, which is very important, and everything is bespoke on that one as well. Okay, just quickly checking out the engines. Here it is for the very first one. Check this masterpiece, absolutely incredible, full in yellow and matching with the yellow calipers. And on the second one, with the same color, the same paint done, all the bodywork right here. But there is a difference that you cannot spot it right here, except if you drive it. That one has 400 horsepower and that one has 500 horsepower. That is the normal CR4, and that one is the CR4 S with the full power, 700 Newton meters of torque. So yeah, without further ado, let's light on the engines and test it on the road. Alright, so currently on board the very first one, the less powerful one. So you have this 408 horsepower, 600 Newton meters of torque, and 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. And here we go. With the paddles, obviously, the roof is down. So hope that you guys can hear something. That one obviously is less powerful, but you can still play with it and enjoy everything. Comparing with these two specs, it's totally different ambience. Even for driving, you have this light interior, which is changing really a lot. We even can put ourselves on the Sport Plus mode right here. But the car is absolutely smooth, and when you switch the gear, it drops and you have this like kind of small pop, because due that is a bi-turbo engine, you don't have that many pops as you would like to have. And look at the condition. We drive with the roof down in the middle of the forest. That's absolutely insane. And on the back, as you can see, there is the other BOLDMEN. So you can show up there. There is the other BOLDMEN on the back. So that is even more particular to having these two cars right here as a convoy. So yeah, we're gonna switch the car and testing the other one, which has like way more power on board it. All right, so now on the second BOLDMEN, as you can notice from the interior, we have this Jewton, also some cream, some blue, and Sport Plus obviously right here. Oh yeah, we immediately feel the power, even on the Sport Plus mode, immediately feeling the power, the upgrade, and also the mega lightness of the car, which making a huge difference when you have that amount of torque, of horsepowers. So you have 500 horsepowers on board right here, 700 horsepowers, 700 Newton meters of torque here, and 3.7 seconds from 0 to 100. Sport Plus activated. Listen the noise. The noise, the pops also as well. And that's another sound. We can hear the turbos also blowing to get and to give this energy on board of this car. Absolutely insane. And driving here with these two cars is amazing. From Geneva, visiting the factory, and here in Germany, exploring with the countryside this car. Okay, so getting back to the factory and leaving the keys of these two incredible beauties that I was able to test, a massive thanks to BOLDMEN. Alright, so here it is, just back with these two BOLDMENs right here side by side, just in the front of the factory. Absolutely an incredible experience. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't completely here, but at least I could show you everything. The test drive with the both cars on the same time, so that's really amazing. Massive thanks to BOLDMEN, massive thanks to Mr. Wismant, and I really hope that you guys appreciated these two parts with the BOLDMEN full experience. So that was really nice. Not forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you very soon for some other incredible and unexpected vlogs. So bye bye.